Hey everybody, Luke from Guy Reviews. Hey, I have a quick tip of the day on how to fix what happens when your Chrysler vehicle won't connect to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Now, I have Android, so I'm going to show this Android Auto here, but it works for both. And I've had this Chrysler Pacifica minivan for over a year now. Absolutely love it. Very happy with it. But twice now, and unfortunately once when we were on a road trip here for vacation, Android Auto just stopped working. And while I do have it all set up and working now, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, though, if you like what we do here, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It really does help us. Now, first, a few things that don't work. Restarting your car doesn't work because Chrysler keeps this powered on even when your car's off in a kind of a low power mode so that it instantly turns on when you start your car. What you need to do is a full restart of it to solve it. I tried connecting through USB, reconnecting my phone through Bluetooth, all kinds of stuff. What fixes it is a full reboot of the information system. And to do that, you press and hold this power button down here on your volume control, that little button. Keep pressing it. It takes about 10 seconds. And then the screen will turn off. And then after that, there you go. You can let go of the button once that happens. It does take about 2 to 3 minutes to do a reboot. This is why Chrysler keeps it slightly powered even when the car is off, so you don't have to wait 2 to 3 minutes every time you restart the car to get your maps and music and other things there. This has fixed pretty much every issue I've ever had with it, and I'll be honest, in a year it's only happened twice. Not sure if it's my phone, not sure if it's Chrysler, but reconnecting my phone, restarting my phone did nothing. The only thing that fixed it was removing the actual or restarting the actual entertainment system with it. So if you have this issue, please consider switching over to restarting the information system there by holding down the power button on the volume for it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully we helped you solve a problem. We really do hope this helped you because it definitely helped fix the problem for me.